Hello, I'm glad to see you here. In this video we will learn how to create a digital clock in a very simple way. First of all, we will ask the user to enter the current time. Now, we will create a main loop that never ends. Inside the loop we will clear the screen. We will print the time in the following way, so two numbers will be printed for each variable as in a digital clock. We will perform a 1-second system pause. And advance the seconds by 1. Now, it remains to perform simple tests. If the seconds reached 60, we reset the seconds and advance the minutes by 1. If the minutes reached 60, we reset the minutes and advance the hours by 1. And if the hours reach 24, we will reset the hours. Well done! We created a digital clock. If this video helped you, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. Click like the video, and write me below in the comments what you think. Thank you.